Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel with all about DIYs and fashion, and I'm here to tell you the 5 things you need to know to have the best date night at home for less. Yes. So location. It's all about location. So what I mean is you need to know where to do this romantic date night at. So you can either do it in the living room like I did. It was my anniversary this month, April, and I've been married to my best friend for about 9 years now. And yeah, long story short. So we actually did ours in the living room because the fireplace was in that location. Even in the patio will be such a beautiful romantic ambiance. But the only thing is that you just make sure it's not mosquito season. In Texas is mosquito season, and I do not want to be smacking and anything like that. I hate bugs. But off topic, the bedroom, pretty much wherever you feel the romance is at, you can do the location. Entertainment. And what I mean by entertainment is basically, what do you guys like to do together? Like watching movies, eating, little things like that. For my entertainment, I believe it was the food. And I know I have that as another category. Because no matter what, if you're not a foodie or not, you're still going to want to snack. I'm just saying. So my entertainment was basically food and a slideshow. And that kind of fall under decor as well, but you know what I mean. Entertainment is basically what's going to keep the night happy and flowing. Even you can be the entertainment. I'm just saying, I know this is like PG here, but we're grown people. We're grown people. So entertainment, basically whatever he likes or whatever she likes, that is the entertainment. Decor. Most of them I got from Amazon. So since I did it in the living room, I made it more of a comfy area. So I had bought like 4 throw pillows to add to the other pillows that I was going to take from my room. And then after that, I basically used a plush blanket that was very fluffy that I already had. I had little silk petals just because I heard the real ones leave a lot of stains, and your girl have a white rug already, and her kids already mess up her rugs, and she always have to do a deep cleaning on them. But let me not go on a rant. I will have all the things that I bought from Amazon in the link below. I actually bought pillowcases as well, and then I used a little like fairy lights that I had for my Valentine's Day, my Valentine's Day with the girls. Candles. I had like a little Dollar Tree bucket that I used to put the wine in. Food and drinks. So yes, like I said, it did fall for entertainment for me and my husband, but food and drinks could be separate. I had like a little cracker tray because he likes that Italian cracker tray. I do not know the word. I will basically have it in the text down here. Add the cheese, crackers, and all that jazz. I like a dessert too, which is like a s'mores dip, and I actually got that recipe from AYESHA Curry because I had a moment where I binge watched like all her videos of her cooking on Hulu. I don't know the title of her thing, but I'm gonna leave it again. I'm gonna leave everything down below. And then the drinks, like I said, I had Prosecco, I had, well, which is champagne. It was our anniversary, I just felt like that was celebration, so bring out the champagne. But I was still healing from my wisdom tooth, so I didn't really drink that much. Don't tell nobody, please. So fashion can get ready like you're going out somewhere, or get ready like to set the mood. You can wear pajamas, but that's up to you. But me that night, just because it was my anniversary, I felt like I wanted to get a little sexier. I put lingerie on and a robe, and I felt so pretty. I took a shower, and I took like a good shower to smell nice and fresh. Like it was like actually getting ready for a date night. And it's actually, I feel like this really helps for couples that are stuck, like not really stuck, but stuck in like this vibe where you can't do anything because you have no one to watch the kids. Because actually I have 4 girls, and I just put them to sleep at a certain bedtime. Like they go to sleep at 8:30, so I put them to sleep, and then my youngest actually goes to sleep around like 9ish, 10ish, which is not bad. I just basically told my husband that, hey, it's gonna be a date night around like 10ish or after 10 or after 10. So he understood just because we didn't have a babysitter that day. So, you know, if I can do it as a mother of 4, I'm pretty sure without kids you can do it, or with kids. I have faith in you. Hope out there to still find you time for you and your significant other. Just because I feel like us as couples, sometimes you just get so caught up in, you know, routine. You know you love that person, but it's just like you, it's not that you forget, it just secretly hides somewhere. So what I'm trying to say is that night, it actually, everything just renewed itself of the reason why I love my husband so much. So I hate when I get so sappy because I'm very emotional. I hope you value these 5 things to do, and they're very cheap. You don't have to go out. Like I said, the recipes that I got from AYESHA Curry was fairly cheap. I'm actually going to put here on how much I paid for everything from Whole Foods. Whole Foods is a little expensive, guys, I know, but I need it to be delivered because I just couldn't leave. I take care of my kids at home. So, and I didn't have my card that day, to be honest. So you can actually just go to a regular local grocery store and buy these things. Graham crackers isn't that expensive. You know, find something even you can make at home with the things that you have. From Amazon was not expensive at all. Even you can use the throw pillows that you have at home. And, you know, lights. Use Christmas lights for all I know. Christmas lights, girl, they works the same way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you take from it, because it's very important to take time for ourselves and our relationship. So I just wanted to tell you guys some cool DIYs that you can do and show you that you guys can do this for okay, London. Thank you, Bestie, for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Okay, come London. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.